In today's episode, I'll be doing a nighttime glam look. You can carry off this look for dinners and even weddings. If you're interested to learn how I did this look on myself, please keep on watching. I'll start the prep with Too Faced Prime and Setting Spray. Now I'm going to apply Becca Primer to add a glow to my face. This is a glowy base you will apply before foundation. Spread it all over the face with your fingers. Notice the beautiful glow it gives to your face. This is a staple product in my kit. To cover my pores and fine lines, I'm using Benefit Porefessional Primer on areas that need smoothing and where I get oily. After my primer, I'm going to lightly set my T-zone areas with a loose powder to set everything in place. Since my chin and nose area get super oily throughout the day, I like doing this step because it makes my foundation last much longer. Since I want a full coverage look, I'm going to use an orange corrector on my under eyes and around the mouth. This step is important for people who have intense pigmentation and have trouble hiding it with a normal concealer. By using an orange corrector, you will basically neutralize these areas before you conceal them so they don't look grey. If you don't need full coverage, you can skip this step. After my corrector, I'm going in with my Tarte concealer. I'm dotting the areas with concealer and blending it with a precise brush. Don't overblend this step, otherwise all your hard work will get erased. You can already see we have a good coverage on our face even before putting foundation. You can even skip foundation at this point if you feel you don't need an extra layer. Next, I'm using Too Faced foundation. I'm mixing two shades to get an exact match. Spread it all over the face and buff it out using a brush or a beauty blender. I'm only using a thin layer of foundation because we don't need too much. Don't forget to cover your neck, chest and ears with foundation. I absolutely love how my foundation is looking right now. Now I'm going to set my foundation with Fenty Loose Powder. I will also be baking at this step because I have fine lines under my eyes and baking is very important for me. I'll also bake my nose and chin area. If you have dry skin, don't bake, just lightly set your face with a big brush. I'm going to let my baking sit on my face till I finish my eye makeup. Starting with the eyes, I'm going to take Too Faced eyeshadow primer and blend it all over the lids. I will set the primer with a setting powder also. For my eye makeup, I'm using Huda Beauty New Nude palette. Taking a white shadow, I'm going to apply it all over the eyes. Now I'm taking this soft pink shade and putting it on my crease with a blending brush. Make sure to cover the socket of your eye evenly. You can build the intensity of your look by using a second shade by applying it on the outer corners. I want my outer corner to be more intense, so I'm going to switch my palette to ColourPop and use the dark brown shade to darken the corner. Now back to the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to take a flat brush and wet it with a setting spray and pick up this nice gold pink shade for my lid color. I will keep reapplying it till I get the intensity I want. Now taking Kryolan Aqua Liner, I'm making a winged liner. Start by making a thin straight line on your lash line. Then make a wing upwards following your natural eye shape. Join and smoothen out the line. Next, I'm going to take a soft pink shade from the palette and apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a white pencil to brighten and open up my eyes. You can use a nude pencil too. Curl your lashes and apply mascara. Today I'm using the Benefit Mascara. This is a favorite of mine because of the brush and how it doesn't crumble on the face throughout the day. After removing my baking, I'm starting my contour. You can suck your cheeks in and follow the hollows of your face to add dimension to it. I like a heavy contour, so I don't mind going heavy-handed with it. You can apply as much as you like. Now I'm going to contour my nose with the same shade as well. Apply the contour by brushing it on both sides of the nose and apply it at the tip of the nose as well. On the bridge of the nose, I'm going to take the highlight powder and brighten it up a little bit. Now I'm going to apply a pink blush from the Makeup Revolution palette. Now I'm taking the Tarte liquid shadow and applying it on the lids to add shine. While it's still wet, I'm going to take this pink glitter from Huda Beauty palette and apply it on the lids with my finger. I don't want to put too much glitter because I don't want it to look too blingy, but just give a hint of glitter to brighten the look. Now using Huda Beauty lashes, I'm going to measure and cut them according to my eye shape. After applying the lashes, wait for them to dry completely before reapplying your liner. We do this step to cover any lash glue residue and spaces we might have left. Now onto the lips. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury lip pencil in Pillow Talk. I'm going to fill that in with Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in shade Lover. Now I'm going to apply my highlighter and I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome. Look at that glow, I absolutely love it. Finally finishing off the look with Too Faced setting spray. Here is the final look, guys. With this episode, we bring an end to our Eid makeup series. All these products that are mentioned are available on up to 50% off during Bag Gallery's Eid Treat sale. I hope you all enjoyed watching it and learning my techniques. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below. I want to end this series by thanking you all for the tremendous love and support you guys have shown on these videos. This is Kiran Khan signing off.